Finding your Stripe account ID takes less than a minute when you know exactly where to look. Open your preferred web browser and head straight over to stripe.com right now. Look at the top right corner of the page and click on the Sign In button. Enter the email address and password associated with your specific Stripe account to proceed. Once you click that Sign In button, the system takes you directly to your main dashboard screen where all your transactions and balances are displayed. Now, that goes both ways if you manage multiple business profiles. So, the first step on the dashboard is making sure you select the correct business name from the drop-down menu in the top left corner before moving forward. Once you have the right account selected, look at the top right section of your screen and click on the small gear icon, which opens up your global settings panel. The important thing is to navigate precisely to the correct column on this screen. Look under the Business Settings header and scroll down to where it says Account Details, then click directly on that option. In my case, I always need this specific identifier when connecting new online stores or setting up third-party applications for automated accounting. Once the Account Details page loads, you will see a layout with various fields containing your public business information and corporate details. Your unique Stripe account ID is displayed right there near the top of the page, starting with the letters ACCT, followed by a long string of random alphanumeric characters. The trade-off to keep in mind here is that this ID publicly identifies your specific merchant profile to external networks. While it is completely safe for standard platform integrations, you lose total privacy regarding your store identity if you share it on public forums. So treat it with the same care as your corporate details. To copy this identifier without making a typo, hover your cursor over the text or look for the small Copy to Clipboard icon sitting right next to the code. Click that icon once, or highlight the text manually and press Ctrl-C on Windows or Command-C on Mac. To ensure it copied correctly, you can open a blank text document and paste it there for safekeeping. When you are finished, click on the Home tab in the left navigation bar to back out of these settings and return to your main dashboard overview.